Today, I'm gonna tell you about Boomerangme. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to Upzone's YouTube channel. Boomerangme is a loyalty program for small businesses that helps you create digital loyalty cards for Apple Wallet and Google Play. A digital loyalty program designed to keep your customers coming back. Create digital loyalty cards for mobile devices, stamps, cashback, discounts, coupons, certificates, and subscriptions. Send push notifications via the built-in CRM to boost the customer's lifetime value. Start off by creating your loyalty cards. There are 6 card types to choose from: stamps, subscriptions, discounts, cashback, coupons, and certificates. You can start from scratch or choose from over 100 templates, and everything is customizable. Just take a look at this stamp card. For example, choose how many stamps it takes to earn a reward at your business logo and modify the colors to match your brand. Then your customers download their cards, make their purchase, and get rewarded. And Boomerangme makes it easy to stay in touch with your customers once they are a part of your rewards program. You can send push notifications to let them know about upcoming deals, events, and promotions. Send out a blast to everyone or only to specific segments of customers, or create automation. You can even send notifications based on location. So, when someone's walking by your coffee shop, they will get an alert that your new limited edition Beats iced coffee just dropped, and they need to hurry in and grab it. Plus, Boomerangme gives you everything you need to expand your loyalty program with referrals. Referrals let your customers sign up with their friends and family to earn bonus rewards, so you get new customers without doing any work at all. You can also integrate Boomerangme with your CRM and POS systems via API, making it a painless addition to your current setup. That way, you're able to issue new cards, charge bonuses, access loyalty stats, and send push notifications from your own POS system. Boomerangme lets you set up a white label platform to run your loyalty program, complete with your own domain, logo, and brand colors. Integrate Twilio and SendGrid to send system notifications via email and SMS to your customers using your brand name. You'll be able to customize the mobile scanner for your sales team and design the mobile app to fit your brand. Launch your loyalty program with digital loyalty cards and a built-in CRM. Simplest rewards program for local businesses. Increase in return rates and a 30% increase in revenue with digital reward cards. Boomerangme lets you use digital loyalty cards, free push notifications, and an integrated CRM to keep your customers coming back for more. Launch a loyalty program that you can count on. So, click on the link below to Boomerangme for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.